Just a quick video. I've sold the C9, which is fantastic. I'm not going to bother taking it apart or cleaning the tape path. I've already cleaned the tape path on it. I managed to clean off the labels. There were labels across the back of here, and it's had a good clean. I mean, there are a few scratches, nothing terribly bad, but the front of it's lovely. So really good. And one thing I did do, which was a bit bad, I left a cassette in there. After I recorded the video on doing all the work on it. I have cleaned all of this, but because of the type of material it is, it doesn't always clean up very well. Anyway, I'm going to do a power on test and then play straight away so we can pick up any capacitor issues. I've sorted out a remote. The remote that I was using with it actually had one of the battery terminals was a bit green, so I've actually found one. It's probably about the best one I have, so that's going to be going with it. It's very, very tidy, this one. There's a little blemish on the front of it. The back of it is the proper colour. It's just not faded from the lights. There's just a little rub on the remote there. So, but yeah, it's really a nice remote. And I've lubricated the visor as well, given it a good clean, and yeah, really pleased with that. Let's power it on. So I've got the clock on dim at the moment. I prefer to leave them on dim, just because it doesn't overwork the DC-DC AC unit. So a little bit of dust in the K connector, but yeah, I don't really want to start putting it about more than I need to. So let's turn it on. I have no idea what's on this cassette. Yeah, it's a bit ropey, big set. So that's cool. I'm just going to mute that because it's probably going to be copyright. And tracking furthest left, tracking furthest right. So yeah, that's actually really good. There we go, it's getting going a bit now. So that's nice. So I think what I'll do next is I will let's eject it. And yeah, let's try recording. Okay, so I've got a Sony ES cassette, new old stock, Sony coupon value pack. I've covered one of these before actually in a previous video. Over $8 worth of coupons inside. Okay. So were benefits to B2C. Get your free coupons. Just seems really weird doing this in this day and age. So tape looks good. It's been sealed. So coupon, Sony coupon value pack. Inside you'll find coupons on great snack products for you to enjoy while watching shows you've taped on your Sony video cassette. Oh, it's stuck a bit. Should we try and claim some? So yeah, I mean obviously this is an American cassette, it's US, and these are not as good as the Japanese ones. I've I've heard people say this, but I've actually found it myself as well. They're just not quite as well made, and I don't think the tape is quite as good. I don't know, but anyway, let's try it. It's a good test. Okay, so let's press record, counter timer, and to see how well it does. So I'm just recording colour bars. It's a good test. They certainly won't look like that on playback, but yeah, I would expect them to look pretty good, to be fair. It's a good machine. So, yeah. Leave that record for a minute. Then, well, let's try the remote. So, okay, press play. It'll probably be a bit ropey at the beginning anyway. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's really good. And the still, frame advance, bit of a drop out there and back. Tiny bit of smearing, but well, on play it's fine. And then, like I say, right at the beginning of the cassette, which can be a bit sort of drop outy. I will just check. Let's just check. We put the dropout compensator on. Yes, we have. So flip that off and on. That's fine. So yeah. Let's just press record again. I'll leave it record for a few minutes while I set the clock, just make sure that's fine. APS is just activated. Monday, next. Set a random time. Just want to make sure the buttons are fine. There we go. There we go, that's fine. It wasn't on stereo. Beta noise reduction on. And input select. It's fine. I'll just flick that. Just for the sake of checking it's good, which it is. Seems to be. Tuner. So we get a little bit of snow, which you'd expect, not that you'd ever use that. Let's just give this a little bit of a clean. Because it is bothering me that there is dust in there. But I'm not going to spray anything in there because it doesn't do them any good. Cool, lovely. So both tabs are on for the door. The door is weighted. It's got metal. It's got a metal strip in it to sort of make it feel like more quality than it's got. Both tabs are there, so that's cool. And yeah, that's really a very nice machine. What I think I might do is actually try and record something that's got audio, and we'll just play that back, and then I think we can give it a little bit of a run and then pack it up and send it off to its new home. Let's crack on. Okay, so Rocky is all hooked up, so let's press record. And just let that record for a minute or so. It's actually a new Evanescence song. So definitely be copyright struck, but I can play a little bit of the soundtrack. I suppose I could play the Lobsters. Yeah, that might be an idea. But yeah, we'll try this first. There's noise on that. I think that's actually from the... Oh no, there isn't. It actually sounds like that. Do the box. Well, no, I think it's actually the TV. My TV. It's a Vestal TV, rebadged as a Techwood, and I don't know if you can quite see, but it has bars on it. It has like lines on it which get better as you go over, which is why I do captures, because I can play the captures back on this monitor. I've got a video coming out on the LG that I used to have. Absolutely brilliant TV, but it's got so many hours on it. It's been a bit of a challenge. So yeah, that's really cool. Let's see if I can find the Lobsters. Well, I think I found it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. It's what Linus Tech Tips uses. And yeah, sort of quite cool. Nah, that's it. Okay, so let's use the remote. Press stop. So yeah, that's cool. That's really nice. Let's try the tracking again. So furthest left, obviously sound will go funny. Furthest right. Gosh, there is no wear on these heads. I'm turning the right one on, so yes, tracking. Because that's the slow. But yeah, it's almost like it didn't do anything. It's so good. So let's press pause. So you can see there the joys of analog video. The frame rate is not great. Go back. So I'll just mute that. So there we go. So yeah, I'll stop that. Let's do a bit more recording, and yeah, I'll leave you with this, and thank you very much for watching. And like I said, just a quick one, but just wanted to sort of show a great machine, really. It's great it's going to a good home, because it's just going to be sat here otherwise. So yeah, fantastic. So bye for now.